Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Christina and I'm a full-time fashion reseller on the Poshmark app. You can find me on Instagram at little.black.hanger. You can also find me on Poshmark at littleblackhanger without the vowels. And today, I know, I'm wearing sunglasses indoors. My hair is a mess. Let's just be real with one another. You guys know I keep it 100 with you. I had a couple glasses of wine last night, and now, my 24-year-old body just can't handle alcohol, apparently. It's very strange. So, yeah, I am just feeling very bleh today. It is pouring down rain outside, has been all day, and I'm just not feeling it. So I'm not going to be showing you my face in this video, which is fine. You guys probably didn't want to look at it anyways. So yeah, let me show you the current situation outside. This is my current situation, right? Even the dog's crying. He's like, Mom, I want to go outside, but it's nasty. Anyways, I got a request from one of you guys to do a shipping video. Sorry for the interruption. So I'm going to show you guys how I do my shipping, what I use, blah blah blah. I'll give you some tips and tricks. So let's get on into this video. I don't know what that was, sorry. Alright, so to start off, I always take my labels and I cut them down to size to fit into these little windows that you stick on your envelopes. They just open like this. And I will show you how to put them in there. I'll put one in backwards so that you guys can see. But it's just got this little paper on the back. You just peel that off and stick it right on the envelope, and that keeps it protected. These are free on the USPS website. I will link them down below. They are technically for customs papers, but I've been using them for my labels and haven't had any issue. And like I said, they're free on the USPS website, and this really helps with like cost of business because they are free and you don't have to buy tape. So that's that. I will show you how to use them now. Alright, so I always start off by lint rolling every item. I do this because, lint gets on there. I do have a dog, so some stray Scooby hairs sometimes get on there. I also check the item once over just to make sure there's not any flaws that I missed. And I go over to look for not loose threads, but like extra threads that are like hanging down off the seams. And I just trim those off. I like to fold it nice and neat. Just doing some lint rolling, blah, 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 blah. More trimming. I'm a perfectionist, can you tell? Wow, OCD overload. All right, Christina, that's good. Alright, so then I place the item in one of these clear bread bags. I get them at Walmart. They're 100 pack for I think like $3. I used to get the ones off Amazon that had like the self-adhesive at the top, but they were just getting really expensive, so these were more cost effective. Then I use one of my little stickers that I get off Vistaprint. I'll leave the link down below for that as well. And I just stick it on there to seal the bag. It looks nice and tidy and professional. I get my lint rollers at Dollar Tree. They always have the larger ones with the little mini bonus one, so I think that's a great bang for your buck. And then to trim those extra threads, I just use a pair of nail scissors just because they're more precise. One thing I always do is write a thank you note. It lets your customer know that you're appreciative of their purchase and that you put a little bit of time and effort into making their package personalized to them. I always just write like, thank you so much for your purchase. I hope you enjoy your new whatever it is. Love, Christina. And sometimes I'll even put my little Instagram handle so they can follow me or tag me in pictures of how they styled the item. And then I just write their name with a little smiley face. Alright, so now it's time to pack the item up. I just take the item that's in the clear bag and slide it on into the envelope. Then I grab the thank you note and put it right in there as well. And then I just seal it up. I don't use any extra tape on these. I've never had any problem with them popping open. So I just make sure it's secure. This is where I go to order my shipping supplies. Alright, so you just go to USPS.com. And then you go to a postal store and click on shipping supplies. Alright, and then over here it'll say filter by, and you can just click free shipping supplies right here and it'll filter out whatever's free. So these are the shoe boxes that I use. You do need tape for these. They are not self-adhesive. Any of these you can use. So anything that says priority mail on it, you can use. The only thing you can't use for Poshmark is the express ones, the blue ones. You can't use those. But any one that's a priority mailbox, you can use. These are ones that I use for like heavier things, like jackets and stuff. They do have the self-seal on both sides, so you don't need tape for those, which is nice. I do use a square one for like bundles and stuff like that. Let's go to the next page. I want to see if I can find the customs little envelopes. Obviously you guys know I use the padded envelopes, and that's right here. They're the flat rate padded envelope if you're interested. Alright, so here it is. It's called Customs Form Envelope, and they come in a pack of 10. I usually order them 5 packs at a time. They are free and they just come directly to your house. That's with any of this stuff. All this stuff is free. You just add it to your cart and the shipping is free. They'll bring it right to your house. So I will leave the links down below to all of these things that I'm mentioning, so that you can find them easily. But I'll show you right now with this how you do it. You just click on what you want. Right here it'll tell you what they come in, like how many come in a pack. So I just go over here. I usually like to get 50 at a time, so that would be 5 packs. You just hit the plus sign over here and then you hit add to cart, and then you'll check out just like any other website, but it's all free. You'll just go to your little shopping cart up here, type in your information, and it'll come right to your door. So very simple. Definitely recommend utilizing that because it is free, and like I said, it cuts down on the cost of business. Alrighty, so that does it for today's video. I hope you learned something new or you gained some knowledge in some way. That's the same thing. Don't know what I'm talking about. I need some food. Anyways, if you like this video, please be sure and give it a thumbs up on your way out. Also subscribe. I put new videos out every Tuesday and Friday, and I will see you on Friday. Bye guys.